Have you ever felt paralyzed and in self doubt when you really needed the confidence the most? The confidence was missing, am I right? Do you struggle to speak up in the meetings and presentation even you have something very important to say and you know your subject very well? Does fear hold you back from taking opportunities that could change your life completely because of lack of confidence? Have you ever missed out on important connections because you could not muster the confidence to approach someone and talk to them? Do you find yourself second guessing your decisions and worrying about how others perceive you? And that also because of lack of confidence. What if? What if you could turn that hesitation into instant confidence on command, my friend, on command? Imagine walking into any room, any situation, and instantly feeling in control and full of confidence. Picture yourself speaking clearly, decisively, and with authority that commands attention. How would your life change if fear and anxiety were no longer an obstacle? What if? What if you had the power to bounce back from setback faster than ever before? Why? Because you have more confidence now. Now, my friend, if you really want to do that, you are at the right place. Let me tell you about me. I am Pradeep Aggarwal and I am practicing hypnosis, NLP and mind programming for last 51 years, my friend. And I've helped thousands of people to come out of their problem. I have utilized this very powerful technique called hypnotic confidence and command on top level sportsmen, top CEOs of the companies, and many people, and including myself, my friend. Now, I have created a very powerful WhatsApp course, video WhatsApp program, where you will learn and practice how to have an instant command on your instant confidence on your fingertips, my friend, instantly. Because when I work with the sportsmen, they need the confidence when they really need it. Now, these techniques are so powerful, my friend, and you will learn a very powerful, proven technique to summon confidence, to have confidence whenever you want, wherever you want, and have it instantly, my friend. These techniques are so powerful, my friend, and it will have a powerful impact on high pressure meetings, during big presentation, or in every day interaction, or while meeting the top level people. Sometimes we don't have a confidence to talk to your superior or to the opposite sex. You will have an instant confidence, my friend, on command. This technique is from hypnosis NLP, which I developed and used it number of times with the other people. So this is a very powerful course, my friend. Join countless others who I have already transformed them, the top level sportsmen. Some of them are medalists in Olympics, some of them are winning tournaments in golf, cricket. I've worked with a lot of kind of people, and with the CEOs. Many CEOs, they didn't have a confidence when they are actually needed it, when they are presenting something, when you are going for a big deal or meeting a high authority, by just using this technique. Many of my participants, they have already used this technique while giving an interview, during the exams. So you need confidence. You can have confidence anywhere, my friend, by using this technique. So this is a step-by-step method which you learn by doing it in this WhatsApp video course. Now step into your true potential, my friend. Break free from the chains of self-doubt and embrace the confident, unstoppable version of you. Remember, my friend, you are already unstoppable, but you are not able to do it because some negative programming in the past in your programming and automatic programming in your subconscious mind. Using this technique, you can instantly let go of the negative programming and you can feel confident anytime you want, wherever you want, whenever you want. Now, my friend, don't let another opportunity pass by you. Enroll right now and get into instant confidence command and start living the confident life you have ever wanted. So, my friend, if you really want it, click on the link below and enroll for the course and see you inside. Thank you very much.